How to give your car TLC, all you need to know. Do you want to save your car from wear and tear? Do you want your car to save you lots of money in maintenance cost? Do you want your car to always run at peak performance? Then you must give it tender loving care, TLC. 1. Oil and filter change, for top engine performance. Get your oil changed after almost every 3,000 miles or 3 months, whatever comes first. Also be sure to change the air filter often. 2. Brake pads and brake fluid, for safe driving. Have regular inspection of the brakes functionality of your car to check for any fault. Also be sure that your brake lights are working correctly. 3. Coolants change, to avoid overheating. Seek certified professionals' opinion on different cooling fluids that may suit your car. Also changing your transmission fluid after hitting 100,000 miles is highly suggested. 4. Tires checks, to maintain grip on the road. After every 7,000 to 8,000 miles, it is suggested that you get your tires rotated. Also ensure that the tire pressure of your car is alright. 5. Interior and exterior care, for comfort and beauty. Wash your car in and out to keep it fresh, cozy and presentable. Taking care of dents as soon as possible is essential. On top of that, waxing it every now and then is also recommended. That is how you give TLC to your car. When you let these become a part of your routine, your car will take care of you too.